How to withdraw money on Interactive Brokers. First, you want to log into your account and then you will choose transfer funds. From here, you want to choose the last option, transfer funds to or from your Crypto Plus account offered by Paxos. The next step, you have to choose a withdrawal method. If you have used any before, they will be displayed here, or you can use a new withdrawal method. Next, you gotta choose the currency in which you want to withdraw your money. And also here, if we scroll down, you will see the different methods. You have Connect Bank via ACH, Bank Wire, check, direct debit, or transfer to Wise Balance. Use any of the methods here. Then you can see here wire funds to the following bank or institution. You can, where will the funds be deposited? You can choose here. You have to supply the account or provide the account nickname and also the bank or institution account holder. Here you can choose as well. If you want to find your bank, you can search by the ABA routing number, 9-digit routing number, or you can search by name, bank city, and bank state. Here, if you fill it out, you can find your bank. Next, here where it says bank institution account holder, if you're sending to a third person, you will send to another person / entity. So for example, if you're sending to yourself, then you want to fill out this information and click on save bank information. If you want to make this a recurring transaction, you can toggle this, or if you untoggle it, it is going to be a one-time transaction, and then you can click on create withdrawal. Afterwards, it is going to show you all of your information here. You will need to confirm your identity, and you can either cancel the request or confirm the withdrawal here in the bottom right. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.